other than that, I'm just gonna look up on Reddit other things to do, because that's where I found most of these places and most of these things to do. So it's 2:30, but we got food. Well, I saw on Reddit that there's this market, and it's only like a 5-minute walk from my place, or from where I was eating. So we're just gonna go there and see what's in there. If it's anything. If not, it's in the center of the city, so we'll find something to do. In Manchester. Re-rep. Like, how can anyone get around this? Look at this. There's like machetes. Third floor. There's a few things I saw, a couple jerseys, but nothing that I'm like too set on. But we're gonna keep looking. There it is, Afflecks. I didn't buy anything, but so cool to see. I stopped by another thrift shop. Like, I think these are so cool. Look at these. Like the little scarves. Here's a Barca one. Here's a PSG. PSG. Man U. I don't know, I think those things are really cool. This area I'm at, near the Dilly Gardens, is near the Afflecks. It's full of just like thrift shops and like younger people trying to pick up newer clothes and vintage stuff. So pretty cool and like more my vibe, so I like that. Look what we stumbled across. Piccadilly street food. Let's see. There's a long line for this one. Maybe that's why. So I want to get this Rita's Rain. It's like Afro-Caribbean, but I think they're out of like a lot of things. So I might just try to come back tomorrow when they open and try to get it for lunch or something. Because there's still a long line, but they're out of sauce, I think, and like the salad and a bunch of other stuff. So I think I'm just gonna try to pivot and come back here tomorrow. I think people are just getting out of work and then also getting out of school, because there's a lot of students I see, as well as workers. So it's jumping out here. But yeah, we're gonna get food and then head back home. Let's go. Oh my God, the king, the king in Manchester. I bow. Really cool vibe in here. There's like artists all over the walls and like all that stuff. Like that. T-shirts. Here's Richie Rich. I don't know, pretty cool. I might just get a drink or two and order a takeaway. Oh wait, just kidding. Watermelon Pale. It's a local beer from Salford, so that's like nearby. And it's watermelon infusion with strawberry and pineapple aroma. That seems really good. It's like juice. It's really light. You taste the grapefruit, but then the tart makes it super sour, which I'm not like the biggest fan of, but I thought I'd try it. So other than that, not bad. There could be worse beers I could have picked. Dude, doesn't this look lit in here? Pool tables, and then like, you see the green ones back there? There's snooker.
What's that with them?
Huh?
What's this?
A camera.
Camera, you're making a movie?
Yeah, trying to. I thought it's cool in there. If I wasn't pulling up solo dolo, bro, look at that. Snooker and pool? Oh my God, that'd be so fun. I've never played snooker before. I don't know, that'd be really cool back at home. I've never seen any of those. I only see billiards. Like, look at this. It's legit, dude. And it's crispy. With the sauce, you get so many chips. Like, it's good. It's good. I'm kind of scared to go out solo, so I'm just go out for a little bit. It was getting late. I was just in my bed watching a movie, but I was like, dude, I gotta go. I gotta see what it's about, so. All right, that's the end of the night. I tried to get into 2 other places. I needed a reservation. I couldn't go in solo. Yeah, that was about it. Most places don't let you in by yourself, so it's pretty chalked here for me. So I'm back. Tomorrow's my last day in Manchester, so we'll see what we do before I fly, and then I go back to DC, go back home. I get to sleep in my bed, finally, right? And I get to see coffee. Oh my gosh. See my family. Can't wait. But yeah, so that's my night. That's my night here in Manchester. I'll see you guys tomorrow, I guess.